Today you will see the inventions on the best workers in many parts of the world. Automated process allow any job to be done faster. People save time. You may also find something of interest to you. Homemade inventions help make housework easy. This goes in a factory. Her work is very hard. These girls also work in a factory. The food industry offers a variety of food products. Sometimes new dishes are offered to try. This girl is working on a letter. She does a man's job quite easy. Can you count money like this? This girl is a master at this. This woman is working on a specialized welding machine. Old machines are used for metal production. Homemade inventions help make housework easy. This homemade mechanism for processing corn. The girls work at a construction site. She plasters the walls of the house. She is very good at this job. These girls are fishing. To do this they need to be strong. So the old car is cleaned or painted before being sent off scrap. This is the production process of medical rubber gloves in production.